Now, spectra are two type. One is emission spectrum and one is absorption spectrum. Emission spectrum in which electron always present in a ground state. When it absorb energy, it went to the highest state, that is said to be excited state. When it reached to the highest state for stability, their highest state, it revolve and it lose its energy. While revolving, it lose its energy. While losing its energy, again come back to its ground state. When electron come back to its ground state, at that time whatever energy it radiate, that energy is in the form of color, and that radiation are passed through the prism, and then we will observe different color bands, and these color bands are, that is, bright light are changes into dark band. That is the emission spectrum as shown in picture. Now in this here, while losing whatever energy is radiated, that energy is passed through the prism. Now there is second, that is absorption spectrum. In absorption spectrum, when source of light, white source of light or any light is passed through the object, then electron absorb that energy, and then it jump. So when electron absorb, that energy is passed through the prism, and then it observe dark band is changes into bright lines. Here it is shown in a picture, that is dark band is changes into bright light. This is a absorption spectrum. It is said to be inverse of or negative of or opposite of emission spectrum. In emission spectrum, energy radiate. In absorption spectrum, energy absorb. Whatever energy is absorbed, that energy is studied through the prism, and then we will observe dark color band is changes into bright light. That is said to be absorption spectrum. Now after that the distinguish between absorption and emission spectrum. Here emission spectrum, here electron absorb energy and then it radiate. So whatever energy is radiate, that is said to be emission spectrum. And in case of absorption, here whatever energy he absorb, that is said to be absorption spectrum. In case of emission spectrum, here bright line is changes into dark band, bright light is changes into dark band. And in case of absorption spectrum, here dark color band is changes into bright line. That is the opposite of emission spectrum.